Today's video is about approximation part 1, which will be helpful for your SBI PO Prelims 2026. Okay, these questions whatever today in this video I will solve 15 previous years question which will help you, especially those who are attempting for the first time. Okay, so if you are confident about approximation part, try to solve the questions in less time, because if you are confident about the accuracy, try to improve your speed. Okay, even if you don't watch the entire video, try to keep in 2x or 3x mode, just try to solve the question. Okay, make sure that whether you are getting the answer in less time or not, because this is an important, easy and scoring topic wherein you can expect 2 to 3 questions from approximation part. I mean simplification or approximation, you will get 3 to 4 questions in exam out of 30 questions. So don't be overconfident about this topic. Okay, if you are confident, try to check your speed. If you are not okay, if you are at initial stages of practice, little bit confusion, try to practice along with me, so that first try any topic, quant any topic, first try to improve your accuracy, and then if you are good at accuracy, then go for speed. Okay, because concepts are important. As you all know, speed max is must for simplification, approximation, number series, DI, percentage, whatever it is, you need to have a good command on speed max. Okay, now try to solve along with me. Okay, even if you pause or watch any practice, take screenshots or whatever it is, just because all questions I picked from the last 7 years. Okay, so mostly you will get these type of patterns in the exam. Okay, hope this video is helpful for you all. Okay, now in this video I will solve 15 questions. Okay, so the first question is, okay, 79.96% of, because I don't know how I will tell, so I didn't write the question before itself. Okay, so don't mind about the time. Okay, I will try to write the questions as much as fast possible. Okay, so this is the first question. Okay, 79.96% of 200.20 plus 50.10 into 3.1 level equal to question mark plus 25.2% of 60.13. Okay, as you all know, percent means 1 by 100. After decimal, if you get more than 5, you need to take the next round figure. Okay, that you need to remember in approximation. If simplification means directly whatever the values they have given, they will give, but this round off is very important. Sometimes options will be near. Okay, so be careful when solving this approximation, try to take the nearest round of figure, and then either be mindful about the signs. Okay, off means into. Okay, I know these are basics. Okay, but at those who are practicing for the first time, for them I'm telling. Okay, now 79.96 means 80%, off means into. 80% of 200, I'm not writing the decimal. Okay, 50 into 3 equal to, question mark means x, 25% of 60. Okay, if I remove off, as you all know, speed max means 12 to 19, 1 to 10 everyone will know, 12 to 19 tables, if possible 21 to 23 tables, in such a way that even someone wake you up in the middle of the night, you need to answer, that answer should be at your tips. అలా అంటారు కదా, అట్లా 12 to 19 tables, if possible 21, 23, because only these numbers related tables will come in exam. Okay, squares 1 to 50, cubes 1 to 20. Okay, after that percentages. Okay, if you good at these speed max, these numbers, you will easily solve the questions in 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, now 80%. Okay, 80% means you can write 80 by 100 normal, 80 by 100, or you can write 4 by 5, because 80 by 100 means 24s, 25s. Okay, these are all less time taking, rather than writing the bigger numbers, try to simple. But whenever you see the next numbers with 2 zeros, don't write 80 by 100 or 4 by 5. Try to cancel down percent into 2 zeros, because exactly 80 by 100 means, again don't write 4 by 5 is simpler terms, that fraction. But since you have 2 zeros here, try to cancel percentage and numbers here, again don't write. Okay, now 80 into 2 means 160. Okay, here see, when I'm telling it will take time, but when you do after a good practice, it will take 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, with good practice, definitely you can solve simplification or approximation less than 20 seconds. Okay, 160, 82, 160 plus 53, 150. Okay, x plus 25% means 1 by 4. Okay, 20 by 500 or 1 4. Okay, again don't write 25 by 100. Okay, but here 2 zeros are not there, I will take 1 by 4. Okay, that is easy for me to cancel. 4 ones 4, 15 4s are 60. If you are good at tables, you can directly write 15. Okay, 25%, 60 you can write. Okay, otherwise, even if you have a good retaining, if you can calculate in your mind itself, you can calculate. See, 50% of 60 is 30. 25 means half of 50, so 60 half, 30 half 15. In that way also you can calculate in mind, but it's better to write the immediate step. Okay, when you are at initial stages. Now 160 plus 150, 16 plus 15, 31. So 310 equal to x plus 15. Now x is 310 minus 15. 310 minus 15 means 300, 295. Okay, 10 minus, again 5 minus. Okay, also you can do in this way. Okay, but this will take time, but in mind you can calculate. If in exam, try to take only 2 steps. Okay, if it is good if you even calculate based on the length of the question. If you can solve one step, definitely you need to write, because again it will become clumsy, because so many numbers, so many signs. At least try to write one sentence, but try to complete the answer in the 2 lines. Okay, so that it will take less time and you can attempt more questions. Okay, second question, 38 plus 98 divided by 12.99 into 16.97 plus 43.94 equal to question mark plus 99.99 divided. So don't mind the handwriting, because I'm trying to write fast, that's why I'm telling it loud. Okay, 4.97 into 6.98. Okay, this BODMAS rules, I know, I guess everyone know. Like first what will come, brackets, again division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, now 38.98 means 39 divided by 12 and 13. Here 16.97 to 70. So okay, here be careful, again don't multiply this and divide this will. Okay, first division will come. Okay, I guess everyone will know. Division is the first, you have to write down and again write 17. Don't multiply these two numbers and again don't divide this. Okay, plus 43.9 means 44. X plus 99.99 into 100 by 4.97 into 5, again into 7. Okay, 5 20s are 13 3s are 39. Okay, 17 3s are 51. So these tables will help you. Okay, I'm not, I didn't by heart. Okay, I practiced before itself only, so that these are simple calculations. Okay, if you are good at tables, even you can do 17 into 3 means 51. Okay, 51 plus again 44, don't write here, ఎందుకంటే only one number kada. 595 x plus 27 140. So x equal to 140 minus 95. Okay, here 5 9 plus 1 minus 45. 45. Be careful with some minus, because higher number kada. X it 95 minus 140, so minus 45. Okay, this calculation, okay, when you are doing in exam also, don't get tension and write అంటే మీ ఓన్ హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్కి అండర్స్టాండ్ అయ్యేలాగా డోంట్ get clumsy while writing again, because one symbol missing, your entire answer will go wrong anamata. Okay, third question, 49.99 plus, these are all previous years questions. Okay, not random questions. Okay, 230.05 plus 14.98% of 599.99 equal to 340.08. Okay, now 50 plus x divided by 15 plus 230 plus 14.98 means 15% of 600 equal to 340. Again handwriting ఒకసారి మీరు రిఫర్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, నౌ ఎనీ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ పాసిబుల్ అంటే ఇక్కడ పర్సంటేజ్ 2 zeros క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. ఇయర్ 50 plus 230 అంటే 280. హియర్ 15 6 6 5 అంటే 90. 340. 280 plus 90 అంటే 370 minus 30 వస్తుంది కదా, 370. హియర్ ఇట్ విల్ గో minus 30. 15 ఇంటూ వెళ్తే మల్టిప్లై కదా, 15 3s 45 0. Okay, so 450 is the answer. Hope you are getting this. Okay, if I am writing exam, I will do in this way only. Try to decrease the steps. Okay, try to solve in less steps. Okay, because simple topic kada, so that we can attempt more questions. Okay, that's why practice is, if you practice you can solve these questions in 10 to 15 seconds, max to 20 seconds. Okay, (1.73) equal to x. Okay, so mostly people generally they will think, okay, simplification and approximation we can definitely get answers, so they will not practice much. Simple topics, always remember, simple topics always leave only when you are confident in attempting the right answer in less time, as much as less time possible. Okay, because accuracy everyone will score in simplification and approximation topic, but with how much less time you are attempting, that matters in the exam. Okay, now 211 plus 111 into 210. Okay, I'm not taking decimal, plus 629.5 అంటే 630 into 1.7 means 2 x. Okay, now 211 plus 111 into 21. Okay, 21 ones 21, 21 ones 21, 23, 21 1 23. Okay, 233 1 0. Okay, plus 63 double అంటే 126. Okay, x 0 0. Okay, you need to add everything. 1260, 211, 1 6 7 8 3 4 5 6 7 4 2. So 2 4 7 8 1. Okay, see especially these like multiplication values 1.73, based on options. If see this is if ante options, but if 2 4 7 8 1 is there, try to do in this way, try to round figure at 2. If it is only 1.7, then try to take cancel 0. Ante if you take 1.7, this 0 0 will cancel. Okay, what I'm trying to say is 630 if you take round of figure, because this is exactly 5 kada. If you take round of figure 1 if you take, then if you need to take this exact తీసుకున్నాను 0 0, you can cancel, you can multiply into 63 into 17, you will get near to value, I guess some. Okay, based on options also sometimes you need to check. Okay, first try to do the immediate round off. If options are not exactly matching, then try to take the exact values. Okay, fifth question. 121.98 minus 70.98 plus 4.98 minus 22.98 minus 21.12 so many brackets x. Okay, these brackets you need to be careful. It's already 15 minutes and fifth question. Next time I'll try to write questions before itself only. I will leave, okay, more place than required, okay, so that it will take less time. Okay, next 121.98 means 122 minus. So first I will solve the first inside brackets and then I will go to the next brackets. 70.98 means 71 plus 4.985, again 23 minus 21 minus 12 kada, sorry 21.12 ఇది 20 not 21 minus 12, 21.12 means 21 అంటే 2, 5 minus 2 3, 71 plus 3 74. So answer is 122 minus 70, 5 minus 2 3 కదా, 71 plus 3 74. కరెక్టేనా? So 122 minus 74, 11 minus 48 is the answer. Okay, this is the question. Then correct na 70. Okay, see if I'm writing anything wrong, try to correct me in the comment. Okay, sometimes this plus minus, even I'm explaining also, sometimes I can do mistake, but I will try to solve correctly. Okay, 64.98% of 400.01 plus 33.06 into 21.918 minus 743.018 into question mark ante x. Okay, 65% of 400 plus 33 into 22 minus 743 into x. percent అంటే 4 5 20, 4 6 24, 260 plus 33 into 22, 23 66 కదా, 66 plus 6 72, 726 minus 743. Okay, 260 అంటే 6 8 986, 986 minus 743, 3 4 243 is the answer. Okay, next 7, 49.9% of 499.9 into 19.9% of 99.9 divided by question mark into 49.9% of 1999.9. Okay, don't get scared about these decimals. Okay, mostly approximation means you will get to see only these decimals. 50%. Okay, 50% of ante into 500 into 20% of 100 divided by x equal to 50% of 1999.9 ante 2000. 2 zeros cancel, 2 zeros cancel, ఇక్కడ 2 zeros 55 ఇక్కడ అంటే 2 zeros క్యాన్సిల్ అయినాయి కదా, 2500 100 into 50 5000 by x equal to 50 into 20 అంటే 5 2s 10,000. Okay, so x equal to 5. Next, okay, be careful with the numbers. Okay, when you are hurry, generally in exam with that tension, we'll try to, in attempting, to attempt more questions, generally we'll do so fast that sometimes we'll make silly mistakes anamata. So be careful while solving the simple topics. Okay, 34.98% of 799.99 plus 64.95% of 199.98 equal to question mark plus 49.99% of 249.99. Okay, now ఇది 35% of 800 plus 65% of 200. Okay, when you are practicing along with me, I hope you are solving correct answer fast than me. Okay, I'm just telling how I will attempt the exam. Okay, so that it may be useful for you. Also, you will get a practice on previous years questions. Okay, 250 percent 2 zeros percent 2 zeros. ఇది 50% 2 zeros లేదు కదా, హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ 50% ఆఫ్ 250 అంటే 125 ప్లస్ ఇది ఎక్స్ 35 into 8 160 65 డబల్ అంటే 130 కదా. ఓకే, 130 160 అంటే 190 190 minus 25 75. మిస్టేక్ వచ్చిందా? $125. సారీ, యాడ్ 35 8 160. అచ్చా, యాడ్ చేయాలి కదా మన 65 to 130 కదా. 290 అంటే 8 minus 2 6 165. సారీ సో సారీ. 35 8 160 8 5 is 40. ఇది సారీ 35 into 8 8 5 40 24 28 280 65 double 130 2 3 4 410 minus 125 285. Okay, see, sometimes one mistake, one multiplication or one addition wrong, everything will go wrong. Okay, next 9th question. 9.87% of 299.96 whole square plus 20.24 whole square equal to 999.99% of 4 plus question mark. 9.87 అంటే 10% of 299.96 అంటే 300 స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ 3 అంటే స్క్వేర్ అంటే 900 గా, 00 అంటే 940. ఓకే, ప్లస్ 20 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 400. ఓకే, ఐ హోప్ యు ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ దిస్. ఇది 1000% ఆఫ్ 4 2 zeros 2 zeros. ఇది 40 ప్లస్ 6 కదా. 400 4000 ఇది అంతే కదా. 20 స్క్వేర్ 400 90,400. సో 10% ఆఫ్ 90,400 ఈక్వల్ టు 40 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ 100 gone. So 9040 minus 40 అంటే x equal to 9000. కరెక్ట్ రాసాను. అచ్చా, అంటే 90 40 మైనస్ 400 కదా. 2 zeros 9000. Okay, see if I am doing any mistake, try to comment down below. Okay, 10th question. 20 29.93% of 459.96 plus 25.03% of 640.06 plus 2.11 equal to x into 6.08. okay, 29% అంటే 30% of 450 కదా, సారీ 460, 59 కదా, 25% అంటే 1/4, 640 plus 2 equal to 6x, 6 and this 16 4s are 64, 2 zeros cancel, 368 138 plus 160 plus 2 అంటే 162, 10 300/6, 5 is the answer. okay, next 11th question. Root 1155 minus 0.91 plus root 730 plus root, at least one question you will see in square root form. okay, acha sorry దీనికి లేదు, 8.97 minus 0.99.49, so together whole power. okay, x question mark. okay, so I practiced these questions and I'm doing. okay, so that to make it look natural, not cut copy paste. okay, so I'm little bit tensed and making little bit mistake. I'll improve and try to do less mistakes, to tell in a more accurate way in future. okay, so 1155 square root of 1155 means మన ఏ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుందంటే ఇది 36, 34, 35 అంటే 1225 కదా. See, in general I will remember ఈ 15, 25, it's easy because it will end up with 5 కదా. so if it is round figure 60 చేస్తే either 4 4 16 రావాలి, లేకపోతే 6 6 36, దట్ ఆ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ట్రిక్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. సో ఐ విల్ రిమెంబర్ ఇన్ దాట్ వే అనమాట. సో ఇది 34 ప్లస్ 731, 730 అంటే 729 ఈజ్ మన 27 స్క్వేర్ కదా, 27 అంతే. ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ 0.49 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 0.5 అంటే హాఫ్, అంటే ఇది స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ హోల్. సో హోల్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ తీసుకుంటే 44 అంటే 45 బై మన 9 మైనస్ 0.99 అంటే 1 ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్. 5 minus 1 4, square root of 4 2. okay, 27 2 11 13 63. so answer is 63. next 12th question. square root of 3.98 plus 2.22 whole square plus 4.85 into 5.69 equal to 24.71% of x. 3.98 అంటే 4, square root of 4 2 plus 2.2 square, 2 square అంటే 4, 4 plus 4 8 కాబట్టి I will take 5, 4 plus 5 9 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, అంతేనా? 2 plus square 2 square 4 ప్లస్ ఇయర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది 4, 4.8 అంటే 9, 9 ఇంటూ 6 అంటే 54, 24.7 అంటే 25% అంటే 1/4 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్. మన 56 ఇంటూ 4 బికాస్ 4 ఇటు వెళ్తుంది కాబట్టి 4 6 24 20 224 ఇస్ ది ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, Thirteenth question. 29 whole square plus 3412% of 700 divided by cube root of 2744.21 equal to x plus cube root of 21.97. ఓకే, మన 29 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 841. ఓకే, ఇవి మీకు టిప్స్ మీద ఉండాలి. 841 34% అంటే 35%. ఓకే, see whenever these two zeros are there, I will not write again by 100. okay, it's easier to cancel. మన డివిజన్ కాబట్టి బై ఇది క్యూబ్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 2744 అంటే 15 క్యూబ్ 3375 అనుకుంటా. సో ఇది మన 14 క్యూబ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, 14 క్యూబ్ 27 ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఇది 2197 అంటే 13 క్యూబ్. ఓకే, బికాస్ 7 అంటే 3తో వస్తుంది కదా, 13 క్యూబ్. ఓకే, మన పర్సెంట్ 2 zeros 7172. ఓకే, సారీ ఇది 34%, 35 రాసాను. 2 7 17 34 841 17 85 858 minus 13 845. ఓకే, $14 27.02% of 300.08 plus 19% of 120 plus 29.8% of 500 equal to x. Okay, directly 27 19% of 120 plus 30% of 500 equal to x. 2 zeros percent 10 10 20% cancel. 3 7s 1 3 2 81 plus 262 అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో మన 19/5 కదా, 20 అంటే 10 వస్తుంది లేదా 9.5 19/5. సో వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ ఇస్ ఇది చేసి బై హాఫ్ చేస్తా, 196 చేసి. ఓకే, టేబుల్స్ వస్తే ఓకే. 144 196 144 అంటే బై 5 6 9s 54 6 7 8 9 144 కాదు 114. ఓకే, 114/5 by 5 అంటే 5 2s 10 plus 150 5 2s 10 5 2s 10 22.8 150 22.8 81. So 253.8 answer. Okay, ఓకే, ఆప్షన్స్ చూసుకోండి. ఒకవేళ 253.8 ఆర్ 254 ఉంటుందా, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ది ఆప్షన్స్. ఓకే, బట్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఇట్లా డెసిమల్స్ ఉంటుంది, డోంట్ గెట్ స్ట్రక్. ఓకే, 15 43.12 into 6 divided by 2 minus 63 minus 6.2 of 8 plus 48.89 minus 11 square plus 25 equal to x. 43 into 6 by 2 minus 63 minus 6.2 అంటే 6 6 8s 48 plus 49 minus 11 square అంటే 121 plus 25. 3 3s are 9. 129 minus 63. 66 minus, first I will add all the numbers, positive signs. Okay, 8 8 16 17 22. 8 plus 4 122. 122 minus 1 to 1. So 65 is the answer. Okay, so these are the 15 questions. Okay, actually I'm little bit disappointed. I thought of explaining, parallelly in a very good way, but I did so many mistakes, I guess. Until cancellation, silly mistakes. But next time I will try to improve. But definitely I can guarantee you that these type of models, if you practice, definitely it will increase your speed in exam and it will help you to get good marks in less time. Okay, try to solve these questions. Okay, even if you don't like the video, at least try to solve, take one question, pause and do, and go for fast forward or whatever it is, but try to solve all the questions. Okay, this is for part 1. Hope this video is helpful for you. In next video I will solve another 15 questions. Okay, I guess this approximation I did 4 parts. I guess some 50 to 55 questions I guess I solved, I mean models, or you can say. So totally you will get to see 4 parts in approximation. In that, this is part 1. Okay, in next video I will do part 2. Okay, try to solve this question. Thank you so much for watching. Happy learning.